Hey everyone! Today we're going to explore how to connect Brevo to Pabbly. If you're new to Brevo, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. First, go to your Pabbly dashboard. Here you will see the Access Now link under the Pabbly Connect option. Click on it, then go to Settings, and you will find an option labeled Connections. Here, click on Add New Connection. From the search bar, look for Brevo. It should appear in the list. You can then give a name to your connection and enter your domain here. Next, add your API key. To get the API key, go back to your Brevo account. Click on Your Account Name, then go to SMTP and API, and open the API Keys section. Now, click on the Create a New API Key button. Give your API key a name and click Generate. Then, copy your API key and paste it back into Pabbly. After this, click the Save button, and that's it. Your accounts are now connected successfully. Hopefully this video helps you set up your integration easily. Thanks for watching.